Namaste. In our last session, we explored the 12 beautiful mantras of the sun, each one saluting and honoring Surya in a different form. Today we are going even deeper, beyond names and forms, beyond description. There are sounds, pure sounds of energy. These are called Bija Mantras, the seed sounds. Just like a seed carries the entire potential of a tree, these seed sounds carry immense spiritual and vibrational power. When combined with Surya Namaskar, they don't just awaken your body, they awaken your inner energy and consciousness. Bij means seed. These mantras do not have a literal translation like Om Mitraye Namaha or Om Raviye Namaha. Instead, they are pure vibrations, sounds that directly resonate with your chakras, with your nervous system, and with your subtle energy bodies. When we chant them, we don't just communicate with the sun outside in the sky. We ignite the inner sun within us, our Prana Shakti, the very source of life inside. There are 6 Bij Mantras used in Surya Namaskar, and during one complete round of Surya Namaskar, these 6 mantras are repeated 4 times. Let's go through them one by one. First, Om Hraam, a deep vibration awakening the Mooladhara chakra, root chakra. It grounds you, connects you to stability and channel the base energy needed to begin movement. Second, Om Hreim activates the Swadhisthana chakra, sacral chakra. It is linked to creativity, flow and vitality. Chanting this with movement awakens flexibility and emotional strength. Third, Om Hreem, known as the Mahashakti Bija. It stimulates the Manipur chakra, solar plexus, where the fire of digestion and willpower resides. This Bij connects strongly with the sun energy itself, igniting power and confidence. Fourth, Om Hroom, a sound of transformation, resonates with the Anahat chakra, heart chakra. It melts blockages, expands compassion, and allows energy to rise upwards freely. Fifth, Om Hroom, a sound of protection and strength. It awakens the Vishuddhi chakra, throat chakra. Here, energy refines into purity, clarity, and expression. Sixth, Om Hrah, the most subtle and highest vibration. It activates the Anjana chakra, third eye chakra. Chanting this expands awareness, sharpens focus, and connects you to higher consciousness. Now, how do we integrate them? When Surya Namaskar is done slowly with devotion, the 12 Surya Mantras are used. But when it is done at a faster pace, in a dynamic, flowing sequence, it becomes difficult to chant each mantra fully. That is when these Bij Mantras comes in. They are short, powerful, and can be easily synchronized with the flow of movement. During one round of Surya Namaskar, you repeat the sequence of these 6 mantras 4 times, which equals 24 repetitions, resonating with the 24 hours of the day, covering the full cycle of solar energy. Chanting these mantras while moving through Surya Namaskar creates a powerful vibration in your body. It is said to awaken dormant prana. It balances both hemispheres of the brain. It brings you into a meditative state even while moving. And most importantly, it helps you experience Surya Namaskar not just as a physical exercise, but as a living meditation, a spiritual practice. So next time when you practice Surya Namaskar, try chanting these Bij Mantras within your flow. Feel how they transform your energy, your focus, and your connection to the sun within and without. And in the next video, we will go step by step into how to practice Surya Namaskar with proper alignment. Because only with right alignment can the energy flow freely and safely through the body. Until then, keep chanting, keep flowing, and keep honoring the inner sun. Namaste.